How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets to come across. Lucy and Tom are at a bookshop. They just finished browsing through the aisles. Tom, did you find the books you were looking for? Not yet. I'm just browsing. There are so many cool things here. I can't believe how many interesting books there are. I could spend hours looking at them. Yeah, me too. It's fascinating to see what you can find in a place like this. Definitely. I found a book on rare butterflies that I've never seen before. It's amazing what you can learn from books. Absolutely. I came across a fascinating biography of a historical figure I hadn't heard of before. You never know what you might find. Quiz time. What does to come across mean? To find by chance? To travel to another place? To encounter a problem? To meet someone? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's A. To find by chance. Phrasal verb secrets. Come across can mean to find or discover something by chance. By chance means accidentally and without intention. It can also mean to encounter someone or something unexpectedly. Encounter is a similar word to find. To come across can also mean how someone appears or seems to others. This is a completely different meaning. Phrasal verb extras. The words come and across together are not logical. This is a special meaning and it's very illogical. We have to memorize it. Come can also be combined with other prepositions, like come up with, to think of, or create something. Come by, to obtain or receive something. Or come along, to progress or develop. Subscribe for more videos about these verbs. Stop saying come across with. This is not correct and doesn't exist. Examples. I came across a beautiful painting in the art gallery. I didn't know it was there. She came across a long-lost family treasure while cleaning out the attic. She came across an old friend while traveling abroad, which was a pleasant surprise. While researching her family history, she came across a fascinating story about her ancestors. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Browsing through. Looking through. The aisles. Straight places to walk with shelves. Rare. Hard to find. Historical figure. Important figure from the past. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com. dot